Hey guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. This is Morix Trading Institute, and very quickly, this video will be as short as anything. Okay, so I just want to run through a weekly forecast on EURUSD. So the goal for this analysis is basically to prepare you and just to give you an idea of what I'm looking out for in the coming days ahead. So this is Sunday. I'm making this video, you know, on Sunday, and by the time the market opens, I these are what I'm expecting to see from the market. So that's the goal of this video, and very quickly, I'll go straight into the analysis. And guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please, it means a lot to me, and it will motivate me more to do more content on that, on market forecast. And so this is like I said, EURUSD, and let me show you what I did some hours ago. Now obviously the market has been on a bearish trend for quite some time, and if you look at it from here, the market has been trending low from here down to this very point here, right? So we've been on a bearish trend for a long time. Let me reduce the thickness of this line. So we've been on a bearish trend for a very long time, and the market went back into this very zone right here. And what we could see right here is that the market has been ranging for quite some time. By the way, this is a daily time frame. So the market has been ranging for quite some time within this zone here. Okay, it has been ranging for a very long time within this zone, and it started ranging from, okay, it got into this very point on Monday 28th November 2022. Okay, so the year 2022, that's when, sorry um for the noise. So the year 2022, that's when November 28th 2022, that's when this price got into this range right here, and it has been ranging for a long time up to Wednesday 21st of February 2024. Okay, so it has been in this zone for quite some time. And does that mean that there has not been any trading opportunity ever since the price has been ranging here? Now you have to understand that we do not trade higher time frames like daily time frames, weekly time frames, monthly time frames. They are just time frames that gives us idea about the market direction for a couple of time. Okay, so for us to have an idea of the market direction. So obviously US EURUSD has been ranging for a very long time. Okay, so it trended from this point here down to this point bearish, and then it got to this very place which I mark out with my horizontal line. You could see it got to this very point. you know if you take a look at it, this horizontal line here, so this is the resistance and this is the support area. Okay, so that is that. And so moving down to 4 hours time frame, let's see what we have for the week. Now I did something here. Okay, I failed to mention something on the daily time frame. Sorry guys, I have a trend line drawn on this very point here. Okay, I have this very trend line here, so that's to show you that the market has been trending bearish. Okay, so we had one touch, two touch, three touch. Okay, so hopefully we're expecting another touch on the trend line. So the next thing we're going to do is move down to 4 hours time frame, and then as we're scaling down to a lower time frame, we are seeing opportunities for us to take advantage of. Now on a 4 hours time frame, you could see that we have a trend line on the support of this range. Okay, remember the price has been on a range for a quite number of time. And let me take out this watermark so that you could see it, you can see it clearly. Okay, so the market has been ranging on this zone right here, which I showed you on daily time frame. And right here we have on the support we have a trend line, which we had one touch, two touch, three, four, five touch. We've had a good number of touches on the support of this trend line. So over here I have another trend line. Okay, I have another trend line right here on the resistance of this area here of this zone. We had how many touches? We had one touch, though this one did not reach. We had two touch right here, and hoping that price will come up and give us another touch, hopefully. Okay, if it eventually breaks this very resistance line, oh guys, sorry. So if it eventually breaks this very resistance I drew with this rectangle tool, and we should expect something like this, a pullback, and then price should come here, boom. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting. If it happens this way, we are good. But if it happens otherwise, then which means we're expecting price to come from this very zone here to sell off to this very support. Okay, so this is our support region that I showed you on daily time frame. Okay, so price has respected it multiple times. You could see it, we had a number of touch. We had one touch, two touch, on the support level. We had another one here, the third one, and then we are hoping if it doesn't break and give us this retest and buy to this very point here, to this very resistance, or hopefully I will show you something. If it doesn't buy, then we're hoping that from this very resistance it should sell off to this very zone. However, if it eventually breaks this support level, then we should hope for a continuous sell. However, like I said, the price has been on a sell bias for a very long time. So our bias is still the same. We are hoping or we are looking out for more selling opportunity. Okay, so we're looking out for more selling opportunities, but if the market offers us an opportunity to buy at this point, we are good. So let's scale down to 1 hour time frame. Let me show you more. So on the 4 hour time frame, look at this. Okay, this is obviously clear. We hope that it breaks, retest, and then buys. And this is where I'm hoping to take my profit if it eventually buys. So let me show you something. So I'm hoping to get my take profit at this, oh God, at this very level here. So we have, so if it buys, then you know why I had to sorry, my take profit level, I hope, I expect it once price breaks this very support, this very resistance, and then continues to buy, I'm expecting price to break this trend line, and then you know I could see something also. So this is another opportunity for a first take profit. Yeah, this zone right here, first take profits. Let me mark it red. So this is my first take profit. Why did I choose this as my first take profit? Because we had a minor key level. So this area is a minor key level area. What is a key level? Okay, I think I'll do a video on that separately. So if you notice, we had multiple touches price rejected this area multiple times. It rejected the zone multiple times, and then there are some minor reactions here, and this is an impact, news impact. I think I traded the spike here. So, and we're expecting that price will respect the zone. If it eventually buys, it should respect this very point here, which aligns with this very area here for a take profit. So let me place something like this. Long position. So I expect that price should buy to this very level here. Okay, and if it really wants to continue, or if price will continue buying, then oh, what am I doing? So if price will continue buying, then from here we'll find somewhere for our stop loss, and then we buy to this very level here. Okay, so that is just that. But I am more interested in taking my profit here because this is a very strong take profit region. All right, so that is that. In the scaling down to 15-minute time frame, so I'll show you an opportunity I have on 15-minute time frame. So it's basically more of like a scalping opportunity. So seeing this zone right here, price has reacted. I have this my very line here. Sorry guys. So I have this horizontal line placed right about this region here. So price came all the way. Let me reduce some of these distractions. um so we have price come from this point here, from here down to this very point. you know it broke it, however, went up, came down, blah blah blah, and all of that. There are so many reactions. So let me tell you reason why I had to place this trend line, because there has been price um, reaction within this very zone here. Price reacted here. Sorry guys. So price reacted here, reacted in this point here, reacted here, reacted here, reacted here, reacted here. So price has been reacting at this very zone. So what I'm looking out for, more of like just a scalping trade from this very point where price has been having a good number of touches and rejection. If it eventually breaks this horizontal line and then comes down here, I'm expecting a retest on this zone, or more of a liquidity grab up, back up, and then a sell down to this point here. Now what is this very point down here meant for? Let me tilt this chart. Now you could see it that we have multiple price rejection or reaction at this zone here. Price respected this zone for a very long time. We had price respected this zone for a couple of time. So I'm hoping and expecting that price, if it eventually comes to this region, then I should expect to take my profit at this red rectangle line here that I just drew. I'm expecting to take profit here. And again, another confluence to that is the trend line that we have at the bottom. Let's go back to daily time frame. Let me show you something. So on the daily time frame, remember I told you that I have a trend line right at the support. So this is it. This trend line, we had a good number of touches on it, and then now you could see what I drew. So where I'm expecting, if at all price will come down, then it should come down back to this trend line, and then I take my profit at this very point and expect what the market will do next. But meanwhile, we are still on this range. So we are expecting more trading opportunity. You see, if we um, tune down to lower time frame, you will see the opportunities that we have within this zone here. But since we're on a daily time frame, we can't really see them. So this very this very this very horizontal line I drew here, once we break this very um sorry, not horizontal, this very rectangle line I drew here, if we break this rectangle line, and then which is the support of this, so many rejection that has been happening here, price finding support, if we break it down, then we're expecting that price will come down to this very support, the next support, which is here, guys. So I believe that this analysis has been able to give you some clarity and tell you more about what I'm expecting from the market in the coming days. All right, guys. So do well to please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this video, and I really appreciate the time, your patience and your commitment on this um, little bit of time taken from you just to show you what I'm expecting from the market. Love you guys. See you next weekend.